Hey beautiful people, let me show you that how we can install the Solace theme in our WordPress website. So if I'm going to visit our site right now, this is how it looks like. It's like a totally empty template, and then now we're going to install a theme that is called Solace, and inside the inside that theme we have so many templates that we can used to edit the stuff. So for that, what you have to do, there are so many bunch of amazing themes for the WordPress, just ready to use template, just edit them with the Elementor. So this time we're going to go with the themes and click on the we're going to hover over on the appearance and click on the themes. And one of the my most like, if I'm going to say, if I like the theme, that is the Astra, by the way. That is amazing, by the way. So here, whenever you're going to install the WordPress, by default you're going to see these three themes, right? These are just very basic, and then we're going to click on add a theme. Actually, a theme is something that is going to give the functionality and feel to your website. And yeah, here we go. And Cadence is also one of the best theme, and hello Elementor as well, and the Astra. But this time we're going to go with the Solace. So I'm going to write over here Solace, and then on the left side we're going to see that theme over here. And then what you have to do, click on install, and then click on activate, and that's it. That's what you have to do, and then the entire theme will be installed on your WordPress website. And then on the top you're going to see install starter templates, and these are one of the amazing templates that you can get started with your website without building from the scratch, right? So you're going to have the template, and then easily you can just edit them with Elementor. So just click on here and install starter templates right now, and then just wait for a few seconds, and once it's done, it's going to say installation successful done. And then now it's going to take us on the another like interface, like here Solace. And then now we're going to click on starter templates, right? And then we're going to make sure that we're going to have the here you can see all kind of the, by the way, uh the 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 templates you can see, right? And then this time we're going to go with the free one, right? And then maybe you want the e-commerce website, right? If you can click on e-commerce over here, and then now you're going to see that the free, these all are the amazing templates you can see, by the way. So suppose I would like to go with this one, Shopee's. I think this looks very great. Otherwise the gym equipment template also looks very good. So let's go with this one, right? So I'm going to click on it, and you can click one of any template you would like to be used, right? And then here we go. Now you can see how it looks like, right? And then what you have to do, make sure this is how it's going to looks like. It's looks very premium website, right? Within a few clicks you're going to have the amazing website. What you have to do, install the WordPress, and then install the theme, and then you're going to get like this website. So what do you have to do, this colors look good, and then we're going to select this on the left side, install and active Elementor plugin and WooCommerce, and then click on continue. And then we're going to say skip this step, right? And now everything is going to be imported in the website, and then we can change whatever we want. So it's going to take some time. Now it's 25, and this is the amazing way to build your website within a few clicks. And yeah, if you want to hire us, you just need to go to rajasain.com over here. We build amazing websites and landing pages for the people for over 7 years, and then you can see people feedback. We are also on the Fiverr, and then you can always book a free discovery call. You can see what we have done so far, and then yeah. So now we go back again to our work. Yeah, it's 29 still, so it's going to take some time. So, and another thing, I'm going to give you also a link below in the description to from where you need to purchase the hosting, and I'm going to recommend you going buy from the hostinger, and it's going to cost you around only 25 not $35 or the $40 for the 1 year. So I'm going to give you the link the below in the description. So you just, if you're going to go purchase via my link, you are not going to pay the more, but I'm going to get a little small commission. So yeah, so what you have to do, just go through my link, and then just click on the pricing over there, and then here you need to go with this one, premium plan. And then what you have to do, just click on choose plan, right? And it's going to give you the free domain as well for the 1 year. So you're going to get a free domain, and for the $40 complete hosting where you can install the WordPress. Now it says 95, right? So it's for the 48 months, and you can see, right? It's amazing deal, right? You're going to get the $95 for 48 months. So what are we going to go? We're going to go for the 12 months, right? So now you can see now the price went to $41, and then click on the continue, and then you need to create the account, and then done, and then by a few clicks you can install the WordPress, by the way. And yeah, it's going to take some little bit of time while it's importing the complete template. So yeah, so once you are registered, get login, and then you can get the complete hosting for $41, and that is amazing. And I love the hosting, by the way. They are doing a pretty amazing job for almost, for it had been already more than the 4 years. For the clients, I'm using the hostinger, and it's boost the website for all kind of like it's going to help you to rank on the first, because they have the very fast servers, and the way they support the WordPress is totally amazing. So that's why within a few years hostinger became very popular among the uh, among like they provide the hosting and domains. And yeah, so it's still 45. Yeah, it's taking a little bit more time than usual, but you need to just take some sort of a passion, and then once it's done, the like the 100%, and then boom, you can see the amazing website, by the way. Well, yeah, just we are, yeah, we can wait until this is going to be done. So let me show you something else until we are over here. If I'm going to go over here, let me see. Steel, and then I want to show you something. Because it's going to take some time, right? The 50%. Okay, it says okay, login. I want to show you something very amazing, by the way. So if I go to the websites, and then I want to show you that, by the way, how you can use the Elementor, right? And it's going to help you to how to edit the website. So if I click on this one, because I am building a website on that domain, right? So yep, so it's going to redirect us over there. So 53, 54, right now it's taking a little bit more time than usual. So yeah, and while it's taking time, I'm going to activate Elementor, because I want to show you something over here, right? So I just activated Elementor, right? Because it's going to take some time, otherwise it's going to do everything automatically. You don't need to do anything, right? So yeah, I want to show you something, right? So what you have to do, if I click on add a new, right, click on add a new, and then I am letting me to create a page name like a like a test page, right? Test. And then I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, because I want to show you that how you can edit the website, by the way. um, okay, so escape, well, that's the two words, right? So wow, this is how it looks like, right? And then what you need to do, because I want to do the full control of the Elementor, right? So with the page settings, I'm going to make sure we do not have this blank space on the top. We're going to make it like the full width, the full canvas, or full width, like something like that, right? So this is how it looks like. We have on the top, because it is importing, right? So it's done. So yeah, let me show you once. Check the website. So let's revisit the website right now. uh, okay, so if I go back and then click on the pages, for some reason, the okay, let me see if something went wrong. uh, okay, so I think the template was not imported correctly, right? So let's we try do that again. Go to Solace, go to starter templates over there, and then now we're going to go with the e-commerce, and we're going to select the free, right? And this was the template I wanted to use. And then yeah, sometimes it happened, maybe it happened because I just wanted to show you quickly with the Elementor. So yeah, so let's we click on that and delete the previous imported site and to e-commerce, and click the continue. And I say skip this one right now. And so right now it's deleting some previous content. uh, so this time I'm not going to touch anything, so we're going to wait for the few minutes until the it is importing all the content and everything, and then we're going to check the website. So yeah. Okay, now it says congratulations, I imported done. So let's check the website right now. Okay, yeah, here we go. Now you can see that completely we have imported our website. Right now we have on the top we have this image. uh, like this is how it's going to look like, because due to my screen is a little bit more bigger, that's why it was looking like that. Otherwise this is how it looks like. This is perfect, by the way. um, on the top we have the logo and the tags, button, and the products. And then yeah, everything looks cool, by the way. It looks premium. And then the video over there, right? But it's going to go on the images. So let me show you that one thing, how you can edit this website if you want to change in text. uh, so what you have to do, just click on here on the top. You're going to see edit the page, and by next that you're going to see this option, edit with Elementor. So make sure you have to click on edit with Elementor. And once you clicked on it, Now you're going to have the control of everything you can change on your website. So suppose on the top it says welcome to Mangal so market. So I'm going to say welcome to gym shop. Some you can see it's changing right away. So click on this pencil icon, right? So we're going to say in 2000 2026 push your limits, achieve greatness with every rep, right? So you can see you can change that very quickly. And if I click over here, you can write here exactly what you want. So suppose if I say Raja, and now you see it is, you can see Raja over there, but you can always change the text. And once it's done, make sure click on the publish, and then everything will be changed. And then if I click on over here, this is the shortcode by default added by the WooCommerce. I'm going to show you this thing in another tutorial, by the way. And here, if you could click on over here, you can change it, and you can click over here to add the image cursor. And then again, here we have the products, and again the tags. Click over here, and then you can change. And by clicking over here, you can change this image as well, by the way. So it's totally simple. Click over here and upload, select a file and upload image, and that's it. And boom. And then once it's done, what you have to do, click over here and click on to the exit to the WordPress. And then once it's done, what you have to do, make sure you just need to take off from this to over here and click on enter, and now you can see welcome to gym shop. And now you can see in 2026 push your limits, and then you can change anything whatever you want. So if you want to add the products, if I click on this on the top, you're going to see this domain name. Click on the dashboard over there, and then here left by you can see the WooCommerce and products. Click over there, and then now you can see all the template, the imported templates you always can change or add a new product by clicking add a new product. And then this is how you're going to get amazing e-commerce shop, by the way, within the few clicks. And if I'm going to go on the next page, about, right, and then this is how it looks like. Totally amazing. And with one click edit with Elementor, you can change the text and everything whatever you want, by the way. So it is a very amazing to get started to have your own business website. So if I click on this pencil icon, and then I can write here about us, something like that. And then if I'm going to click on the publish on the top, right, and then after the publishing, if I click on the view page, right, now you can see this is how it looks like. About us, the text was changed. Fantastic, right? So I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial, but I'm going to create another complete tutorial where I'm going to teach you step by step how to build a website from the scratch with Elementor. But with this few clicks, you're going to have a complete website, and you can change everything like the logo, the text on the top, and everything, by the way. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you're totally new, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in another tutorial. Bye bye.